After installation of the development kit, we can find a program which is called pop-up calibration. It is a very useful program which we are going to run for calibration of the eye tracker. First, we create a file. As far as I remember, it doesn't like long names, so we call it just with current date 20/09/29 _1, and it will be saved in documents under my user folder. We run camera setup. Now you can see the gray screen, which indicates that the communication between the display PC and the host computer is well established. If you press enter, we will see what the eye tracker can see. At the moment, the system cannot recognize the position of the eyes. Therefore, for the remote mode, we have to place this target sticker on the forehead of the subjects. Now, as you see, the eye tracker follows small displacements of the head of the subject, and we can manually adjust the areas of the interest to identify the motion of the eyes. Now with the flash, with the arrows right and left, we can choose the view. Either we see the target sticker and the distance from the target sticker to the eye tracker camera in millimeters, as you can see on the screen. The left eye, the right eye, and the general view. So let's see the left eye. It is obvious that the image is unfocused, therefore we manually adjust the focus. There is another issue. The threshold for detection of this little bright spot, which is the corneal reflection, is too low. We need to increase it. So we press key plus on the keyboard of the display computer, and we increase the CR detection threshold. As for the pupil detection threshold, everything looks okay. The other eye, perhaps the threshold for the pupil is too high. No, sorry, too low, and we need to bring it up as well. This we can do with the arrows up and down, up to increase the threshold. This is obviously wrong, this is too much. Now we bring it down. To start the calibration, we press C on the keyboard. You can see the targets which appear on the screen. The subject has to look at the target and don't move the eyes. And to record the calibration point, we press enter, either on the keyboard of one computer or the other, doesn't matter. Other fixation point, and so on. After calibration, we can run the validation to make sure that the reconstruction of the gaze position is accurate. In order to run validation, we press V, and the procedure looks exactly the same for the subject, but it looks pretty different from the point of view of the host computer. And now I will try to record what happens on the host computer during the calibration.